When we talk about international relations, we usually focus on states, leaders, conflicts, or treaties. But this semester taught me something different. Global politics isn't just happening at a distance, it's happening in the background of the most ordinary parts of my life. To understand that more clearly, I took my morning routine and traced where every object actually comes from. Together, they form what I call the atlas of my morning. The first object is the tag on my clothing. I see it every morning when I get dressed. Next is sunscreen. I use it daily, especially living in Malibu. It seems like a simple product, but it depends on global environmental policy and scientific regulation. Then there's my Wuzu fan. It runs almost constantly, and even though it sits quietly in my room, it's connected to a wider electronics network. When I grab my shoes to leave, I'm interacting with another object that was designed and manufactured across international borders. And of course, like most people, I start my day with coffee, a drink that never originates anywhere near where it's consumed. Finally, there's my passport, which presents not my routine, but my position in the international system, how I move, where I can go, and the borders that shape my life. Cambodia is a major center for garment manufacturing, where global brands outsource production for lower labor costs. This reflects the international division of labor, dependence on export economies, and the global inequalities built into clothing supply chains. Sunscreen connects to international environmental policy, especially Australia's role in UV research and the Global Montreal Protocol on ozone protection. Even this everyday product reflects climate governance, chemical safety regulations, and global public health standards. The Wuzu fan comes from Japan, but its parts are sourced across East Asia. It represents complex electronic supply chains, trans-Pacific trade routes, and the interdependence between countries that produce components, assemble products, and ship them worldwide. Most athletic shoes are made in Vietnam or China through outsourced manufacturing. This reflects how multinational companies rely on global factories, low-wage labor, and international trade networks to produce inexpensive, high-volume consumer goods. Coffee is one of the world's most traded commodities. With Colombia and Brazil leading production, it shows how agriculture, climate vulnerability, and global market demand directly shape the products we consume every day. A passport represents citizenship, mobility, and the politics of borders. It reflects how international law, visa rules, and state power determine who can travel freely and how unequal global movement truly is. When I place these items together in the order I use them, they form a complete circle around the world. This project helped me see that international relations isn't separate from everyday life. It's present in the products we use, the systems we rely on, and the routines we don't think twice about. My morning is global because international politics structure every part of it. Thank you.